Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to be speaking about light language. Yeah, well, all jokes aside, you will see people doing this, and I've got to let you all in on a little secret here. I don't read books. I don't need to read books. I get my understanding direct from the spirit world. It has no dilutions of mankind's notions nor theories, and when I say light language like that, that is just me being me. It's a little bit fun, a little bit quirky. A lot of you may have took offence by that, and the reason being is you have been educated and you've been conditioned to believe that there is a sub-language where energy speaks. Now, we've got to divulge in this a little bit because whilst, yes, energy does communicate, it's not in the way that you are thinking of. First of all, let's just get one thing open and out there for the entirety of the universe to see. First of all, light language. If you want to sit in your front of your camera and go, then yes, maybe it might look spiritual. Doesn't wash with me. At the end of the day, that is not communicating any energies. That is just making you pick up your own ego and making you think that you are doing some sort of ulterior action so that you are communicating with the energy. If you want to do that, I'm not holding that against you. You do that. But again, to each and every one of you who watch individuals who do this, and you are now starting to believe that before you go into a mediumship reading or you should be communicating like this, understand this. It doesn't work like that. And whilst, again, the showmanship among you might think, well, actually, it looks quite cool. If you want to do it, do it. But understand this, my friend, to each and every one of you, you do not have to do that. You do not have to do that. And with a good understanding, you will come to see this. And in many years to come, each and every one of you are going to see not just the words to which I speak, but you're going to see each and everything that I have mentioned here. Now, let's get back to the light language. What is light language? Light language, essentially, from mankind's notions and theories, is where you are going to be able to communicate with entities and energies far beyond your human comprehension. Understand this, if the energy wants to communicate, there is only one way that energy can communicate with you, and that is by using your humanistic clair abilities. When you are living out your life experience, there is no other way of you perceiving or gaining information from the energy. There is no other way, okay? So to any one of you who think that you need to start learning a special spiritual alphabet, or you need to start with learning different words, it doesn't work like that. It's very simple. The energy will tell you what you need to know in those moments. They will show you things that you need to know using your clear senses, not your hidden language, not their hidden language. Very simple. They are going to use the humanistic abilities that each and every one of you already own and possessed. And one of the things is with this is what really annoys me is as mankind, we like to overcomplicate everything. It can't be simple, can it? It can't be simple. It's not allowed to be simple. Why is it not allowed to be simple? I'm going to ask you. And the answer is going to be, it's the way it is. It's not. If you want it to be like that, and you make it as crazy and as balmy as you want, but if you are on my platform, you are here because you want to learn. There is something going wrong and you need to learn more. This is why you are here. We keep it basic, simple, to the point. You do not communicate with energy through hidden light languages. And a lot of you may not agree with that, but I'm going to tell you a little bit of a theory here. Why do each and every one of you, as human beings, as a species, communicate with one another? Or why do you? Very, very simple. I'm going to tell you the reason why you do and how you can. Because you all possess what are called throat boxes. You all have something within your throat that is going to be able to raise them vibrations and send out them signals so each and every one of you can hear. You don't have that in energy, ladies and gentlemen. So before anyone starts jumping on the choo-choo train saying Jordan doesn't know what he's talking about, think of that for a second. Think of that. When any time an energy being, whether that be angelic, whether that be spirit, the realms, communicate with you, it's not through language. It is through your mind. It is through your clear senses. They will get information to you via that method. Why is it, you might be asking? Because that is the only method that they can do to get messages to you. Yes, we do have divination tools, but again, that's coming away from the fact of what this video is for. This video is for light language, where you are actively communicating through your voice or through the sounds with the energy. It doesn't work like that. And whilst, yes, there's going to be a lot of people who don't believe that, Again, I let my work speak for itself. And, if you are new to the platform, you're probably thinking, oh, he's dead arrogant. But listen, that is just the way it is. Don't try learning any spiritual alphabets. Don't try communicating using going loads of listen, it doesn't look. I've seen loads of people, and as soon as I say it, I have to laugh. And I know that's wrong because at the end of the day, each to their own. But I know what it is, and I understand. Now, there's going to be a lot of you who are saying, well, actually, Jordan, when you are speaking to the energy realm or the angelic realms, you are using energy, you are using light. Listen, what you have to understand is that there's a lot of you get this so wrong. And what do I mean by this statement? When you are using light or language, all you are simply doing is communicating energy throughout yourself. Again, so you are adding an element to it. When you are using energy sorts of languages, you are basically ascertaining information from yourself and giving it to a higher source, or you are downloading that information. Again, not through language, through your clear senses. I don't know where this idea and notion coming from, a light language. I guess it looked kind of cool, and I guess it's kind of, but that's simply all it is. It doesn't hold any relevance in the materialistic world to which we live, because you have clear senses. This is how the spirit world are going to communicate with you, and this is how you are going to communicate with the spirit world. A big one, claircognizance. A lot of people who believe that they are light language speakers, they've got degrees in this. And then when you look at what they are doing, their understanding, it's not that they are speaking light language, it's because they are using claircognizance. They are using their clear abilities. Again, it's a clear ability. It's not a hidden thing. This is just a clear ability that each and every one of you use. So, yeah, I think you can probably see where I'm going with the light language. I like to take everything away from it, from basically demystifying everything. I don't want it to be complicated. Not for anyone. And whilst some of you may have not agreed with this video, again, I don't really care. It's my channel. I'm going to tell it how it is because I want individuals to learn. I want individuals to gain a good understanding. I can't do that by sitting on a fence and only saying what people want us to say. That's not the way that this works. It's not the way that this boat sails. And I would like to think each and every one of you are fully aware of that. So to recap, light language. Did you understand what I meant there? Are you getting it? Well, actually, all joking aside, it's your clear senses. It's not hidden. It's not anything hidden. It's well known. It's very, very clear. Forget about light languages. Stop trying to learn the different alphabets of the spirit. Because fun fact, each and every one of you watching, when we go back to the spirit world, we don't have a language. We don't sit and speak English. We don't speak Russian. We don't speak Arabic. You have no language. It is energy. It is instant. It is like the only thing to resemble the communication back over in spirit is like telekinesis. It's instant. It's a knownness. It's a deep. It's you can't describe it like anything. Again, a lot of people believe it to be like the materialistic world to which we live. Simply not true. It's simply not true. So anyway, I hope I haven't offended too many people on that one. I hope you can see the reason why if you start seeing somebody's telling you that you need to start. The things I agree with, will not agree with light language because again, with a simple understanding of how the mechanism works, you will see it's not a hidden language at all. It's just you using your clear abilities. But the thing that I do agree with from that is if some people haven't worked on themselves in a certain way, but they feel more confident with doing noises and they feel like it is drawing them close to spirit, then crack on. I'm not picking on anyone here. But please understand that is the only reason why you would include that in your practices is either you like the way it looks or you lack the confidence and understandings that you need to be able to manifest a connection with the spirit world instantaneously. That is the only way, the only logic for having this. So yes, I know it's very controversial. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.